Come test drive this 2013 Subaru Legacy. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 45,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like all-wheel drive, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, power moonroof, heated door mirrors, and air conditioning. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Subaru's comprehensive certification process, including a comprehensive 152-point inspection. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.